Hey you guys, good morning. Okay, so I don't wake up before 10 a.m. Like, no matter how much I try, no matter what happens in the world, but I just cannot wake up early. I know it's bad. I've been trying to change. So it's same, it's not changing. But today, what's the time? Yeah, it's 8:22 in the morning, and I have this full face of makeup sitting in front of the camera to film this video. Who I am, who I am, क्या हो गया मुझे? Okay, I didn't wake up early. I didn't sleep at all, and I don't know how I'll do office work today. I did not even close my eyes for a minute. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, अब तो हो गया. सुबह हो गई. Okay, if you are here for the first time and wondering who I am and what I'm talking about, then hi, I'm Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos on my channel. If this is something that interests you, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. Alright, in this video I will be talking about my favorite products, favorite thing, favorite moments, whatever that are worth mentioning happened in last month, that is May. This is the second video of this series. I've already done similar video for April month earlier. I'll give a link here in case you wanna check that out. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to talk about these products in random orders. I have just everything right here with me. I'm just picking whatever comes in my hand. So yeah, first thing that I really enjoyed using last month is this body lotion from Nivea. Now it's not my first time using Nivea products. Like, come on, it's been in the market from so long, and we all have used Nivea lotions, their deodorants and lip balms. Even I have used all those products, but I don't know, I always found Nivea very overhyped or something. It's not like I hated their products, but they were not like my favorite, you know. So a lot of people actually love Nivea lip balm so much and their deodorants and all that. I'm like, ठीक है, use कर लेंगे, but they were never my favorite. But just for a change, I ordered this Nivea lotion, which is a low protection 48 hours with SPF 15 protecting moisture care deep moisture serum for all skin types. Okay, so the things that I liked about this lotion is, the first thing, it has SPF 15, and now that we are at home, SPF 15 is enough. We don't need more than that until we are stepping out. And yes, if you don't wear SPF at home, please start wearing it. It's very important. Anyway, and the second thing is, it has very runny consistency. Like, I've been using Vaseline from so long. Like, Vaseline is my constant body lotion that I always keep with me, but this one has more runny consistency than the Vaseline one, and it easily spreads on the skin and it doesn't feel greasy, and it just feels so fresh. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this. I've already finished half of the bottle, and once this gets over, I'll definitely reorder this. Next up is this eye makeup brush. Now this is from PAC in number 028. It's not a new brush, it's with me from last 6 months, I believe. Yes, but in last month I have started using this so much, and I really like it because it is so precise for transition colors. It is so precise for transition color, and it just helps me to get the shape of the eyeshadow that I am looking for. And yeah, it's very comfortable. It's not like it's very unique. I have not seen any brush like that or something. Obviously, I have not used all the brushes in the market, right? But whatever I have, this is the brush that I pick up for the transition shade. Earlier I used to use Lakara brushes for transition color or some other PAC brushes, but nowadays this is the brush that I pick up for my transition shades. I really like its shape. It's not like very fluffy and it's not very small, and due to its shape, it is so good for your transition shades. It just makes sure that your transition shade just doesn't go everywhere. So yeah, this is a beautiful blending brush, and I truly enjoyed using this. Okay, last month I found another amazing foundation for myself a foundation that doesn't feel very dry on my skin but has a right amount of dewiness in it and blends like velvet on my skin, like literally. I'm talking about Milani 2-in-1 foundation. This is a cult product, like everybody loves it. I'm in the shade 05 Warm Beige. This is such a good match. If you want to know how this looks on my skin and how other makeup products sit on this foundation, then I have tried it in one of my recent videos. I'll link the video here. Go check it out. I have given like a detailed video. I've shown my skin in close up so you can really see how beautiful this foundation is, but this is expensive. This retails for 1400, so this is not like a super affordable, but foundation really lasts long. In fact, most of the makeup products except eyeliners or kajals, they last really long, and for me bases everything. So yeah, this is amazing and this suits all skin type, whether you have oily, normal, dry, this is gonna suit you well. So yeah, give it a try. Now, I'm not a lip crayon person. It's like I don't hate lip crayons. I have used some amazing lip crayons, but I don't buy it myself. You know what I'm saying? Generally, whenever I need to order some lipsticks, it will always be like bullet lipstick or liquid or something. I never order lip crayons that much until I hear like rave reviews about it. I just don't. I don't know why. There is no particular reason. But last month I tried Milani Ludicrous lip crayon in the shade 110 No Curfew. Oh my god, I was blown away. I'm totally a nude person. Like, I can even wear nude lipstick for my own shadi. Like, yeah, I can do that totally, and I'll just rock the nude lipstick. I'll not regret the decision. This is such a beautiful shade. The formula of this lip crayon is so matte and yet so comfortable. I'll just swatch it out anyway for you guys. This is how it looks, and it is somewhat similar to Smashbox driver seat. It has just little bit more pink and the Smashbox one is more peachy, but on lips it looks 80 to 85% same, and this is so comfortable. It is a perfect matte, but it doesn't have dryness of liquid lipstick. So this is like, I loved it. Next is this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now, what I like about this product is this is a 2-in-1 along with smoothing your hair. It is also a heat protecting that you can use before styling your hair so that your hair doesn't get damaged due to the heat. And I don't think all of the serums are heat protectant also. So yeah, this is kind of a 2-in-1 investment. It does make things easier. This small bottle, which looks so cute by the way, it is 30 ml and it costs $2.99. Like, yes, $2.99. Next product is a body care product. This is a Layer Water Girl Body Splash in the variant Tuscan Green. I literally like to smell good all day, and I don't feel like wearing perfumes at home. So I really enjoy body splash or body mist, whatever you wanna call. And also these are like really inexpensive, and I literally do this n number of times. Like, हमेशा मेरी मम्मी नोटिस करके मुझे टोकती है, बट एनीवे आदत नहीं जाती है. So I really enjoy it. This has like very summer, very fresh. मतलब once I'm out of the shower, I still need to keep smelling those shower gels and everything. So this exactly gives me that smell. It's very mild, it's very nice, and it lasts for about 2 to 3 hours, but that's not problematic for me because that's how body splash work. Now the next and the last product of this video has to be a makeup product, right? It is Big Date Blush from The Balm. Oh my god, the video where I have tried all the new makeup products, I will be linking it again here. You can check it out if you want to know a detailed review. Look at the color. It's not your typical Barbie pink, bright corals and all of that. It is a mauve blush, and I die for mauve blushes. Like, they look superb on your face. I'm not a very big fan of bright colors. These kind of shades are like my favorite, and This is so pigmented, I'll show you. This is just one application. I've not layered this. Imagine this beautiful color all over your cheeks. I mean, it is amazing. I'll just apply this and show you. How gorgeous that looks. I mean, oh god, I just literally love this product, and blushes are my thing. And I want my face to be loaded with blushes all the time. I love blush that much. So those were the products that I really enjoyed in the month of May. Now talking about Netflix series, well, I finished Outlander, and oh my god, the day it got over, I was so sad. Like, it happens with me whenever my favorite series gets over. I'm like, I don't know, I just feel something is missing in my life. But that show is literally so addictive. So basically, it is about time travel. A woman travels 200 years back through some stones or something, and witnesses all the world wars and everything once again. So she already knows what will happen, but she is witnessing everything again. So she's just predicting everything, results of wars and someone's death or stuff like that. And people around her are trying their best to prevent those unfortunate events. It might sound boring, but trust me, like, it just take few episodes to really pick up the story. You will start developing interest slowly, but once you develop, you will just not be able to stop watching it. I literally loved it. I don't watch historical shows, that's just not my genre. I stick to thrillers, crimes and suspense, but this I thoroughly enjoyed. Like, I loved it, and I don't know why I didn't know about the series earlier, but yeah, I'm just waiting for season 6. Okay, now favorite moment from last month. Well, my parents were tested positive for COVID, and trust me, when we got the report, we were like terrified because they already have health issues. My mom has diabetes, and she's a cancer survivor as well, and my father too had some heart complications and all of that. And the moment they were tested positive, it was like, oh god, what has just happened? But thankfully they have recovered, they have tested negative now, and this has to be best moment from last month. So yeah, with that we finished this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give a big thumbs up to this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I'm putting up a new video. And yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay indoors, take care, bye bye.